Go for it.
All right. So welcome to the server class, and today you're going to learn that the server is very much like your own computer at home. You'll be taking sources, which are like files, and you'll be putting them into the server, and then we will play back from the server, almost like you're playing off your own private YouTube channel. First thing I want you to know is that there is a button on this server that is very, very important for you, and it's actually on the router. And we talked about routers in CCU. We talked about the router on the top router and the camera router. But this is the router that is applicable to the server. The server is assignment 2. Very important. So that's where everything is going to go to. The rest of it becomes sources of what can go into the server. So we're going to look at 2 cameras today. One will be the journalism camera, and we can see that up in our monitor and here. And it's kind of like a spy camera right now, but if we actually, there's a joystick right on that camera box right there beside the CCU. See the joystick right there? If you just move that for me, you'll see that we can actually control it from here. We'll just hold it right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to go and we're going to record something into the server. So I need somebody to maybe put their hands on the keyboard and click on record. So if you look at the screen, we're going to click on record. And we're going to open up the record, SMS record. It's on the far left of the monitor, the computer monitor. We're going to go to name item, and we're going to type an item in. So we're just going to call this BJ. Somebody type BJ there for me. Fabulous. Now I'm going to push the record button, and we are now recording the BJ room. And what it's given you is just a little imprint, or the first frame of video. And that would be no different in YouTube. You know, when you call up YouTube, it gives you the first frame of video, or you can actually assign it as to where that video will show you the picture. So we're recording. We've got about 18, 19, 20 seconds, and we're going to stop it. Okay? We're going to now assign 2. Remember, that's got to be highlighted. We're going to go to the radio now. We're going to call up the radio station. And Dave, if you don't mind, on the switcher, on the lower bus, you'll find radio. Low bus, 1, 2, no, that's the program. Go to the next bus down. Yeah, there we go. Now we can see the radio in our monitor. Come on back, guys. Hi, Sasha. Come on back. All right, and have a seat. Yes. It's already started. It's like 2:30. 2:30, right? Anyways, just be quiet, because we're already recording. Okay, thank you. All right, so here we go. Now we're recording the radio. So let's type radio. Type radio in for me. Somebody type radio. Okay, and now we're going to hit record. And we're now recording the radio station. So we've learned to record 2 sources into the server. Okay, and we're going to stop. The next thing we're going to record is something off of a jump drive. And a lot of you will record your movies, your MOVs over in Avid, in Joe Mamoni's class, and then you'll put them to a jump stick. And on the sides of those computer terminals, you'll find the specifications for outputting video to your jump drive, so it will play within this environment. So if you're unsure, just check with Joe on it, and he'll tell you, because if you're prepping stuff for a tools creative class and you're editing on Avid, you need specific things checked off in the various tick boxes in order for it to play back. So it's got to be a 16:9. It has to have a certain audio format in order for it to even be accepted in this room. So once you put your jump stick in, we use the Western Digital remote, and it's located right here. It has WD on it, okay? And we also have the Sharp. The Sharp it works with all the different monitors, and the WD works with this particular hub and the Western Digital box. It's a little bit like Apple TV if you've got that at home. So we're going to push OK, and I'm going to ask you to go back for me. And if you could just push on the lower bus, you'll see on the far right, you're going to find a shift button. Hold the shift button down. Okay, and then I want you to call SD with your other finger. Find an SD on that same bus. Find SD, shift, and SD.
Can't find it.
Okay, there you go. So now we've got the, yep, we're good. We're good. So now we've got the Western Digital, and I'm going to go home, and I'm just going to show you when you plug it in, this is what it actually looks like. So you have different file sources that you can actually use. So we're going to push the one with the paper clip and the movie clip, and then our files come up for video. And you'll see their MOVs. I'm going to just cycle through them. There's an MP4 as well. So we're going to click on this one here, which is the promo good, and I'm going to click OK again, and it'll start playing. To remove the bar, you just hit OK again. It's almost like those nasty VCR bars that you see at home. So you can get rid of it by just clicking OK. So we're playing the promo. You see that your video is playing. So now you're set up to record. I'm going to stop it.